Okay, so my focus is still on this smaller building now. Now I will drag this backwards a little bit to take this big guy out of our model space. So let's take a lesser time. Okay. So the next thing I'll do is I would like to keep our building inside a sheet. New sheet. A1 metric sheet. Okay. So I'll come to my first floor. I only want to put my first floor for now. To my first floor. Come downwards here. So 50. So 50. Okay. Cost 75. Let's get it down a little bit. Okay. Alright. I think this is fair. I want it as bold as possible. I think the way to this is doing that. Taking this closer. So I only want to put all of these parts on the sheet. Only the front part on the sheet. Coverage John and the rest. I'll bring it downwards a little bit and pattern that. Just to move command. This is where the problem lies now. Maybe 50. Okay, I plan. I want it bold. Okay, I'll click on VV on my keyboard to send out these guys. I don't need out of the screen for us to be able to work properly. Okay. Come to my annotate, align, and kind of do some magic. Get that a little bit. Change it to maybe 3 and then area. Okay. I want something more clear, more visible. Depends. Let's do this for now. Just for us to see. I'm going to move them to start the rest. So if you remember, I said I'll leave my Revit on for now. So come to my start, come to new, call it tutorial, tutorial 1, save, article, create. So on my node, I click on enter. My select node cursor, Ctrl C. So I want this to be my first point. So if this is my first point, I want to go in this direction. Align. I want to go from X to Y, which is from Y to Z, from Z to Z1, from here to here. Okay. I want to go in such a way like that. Then after that, I want to come in this direction 1.5 and so on and so forth like that. Okay, so 32.30 in 3 places and 2.680. Geometry depends. Ctrl C, Ctrl V in X. Call it 3.23, 3.23, 3.23, 3.23. Okay. View. And then plus. Yes. And then 3.23. And then 2.680. X 2.680. Okay. To the tools, auto node distance. Or if you don't want to move like this, depends on how you prefer. Come to your select node cursor, with it out. Yes. Call this minus 0. Call this my 3.23 plus 3.23. So I want to pop out my calculator. 3.23 times 2, 6.46. 6.46 times 3, that is 3.23 plus 3.23, 9.69, 9.69, and then the last one, which is 2.680 plus 2.680, that should be 12.37. It's 12.37. 0.37. So now if we want to move on this direction, we really need to move this particular guy from here downwards here. But let's solve these three particular points at first. Let's come to our structure and annotate, align. I want to move from this 3 guy walls here down to this point, which is 3728 and then 4000. Am I right? These 3 points here. So Ctrl C, Ctrl V. We have them as 3728. That will be in a Z. This is X, this is my X, this is my Z, then my Y is my elevation on start pro. Sorry, 3.728, 3.728. This is it, 3.728, then 4 meter. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, 4 meter. Okay. Then from this guy I can go backwards here, 3.23 as well, 3.23 as well. It depends on how you want to model, but just take this as, if you are going back in this direction, it will be minus 3.23. so you see it here, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, plus 3.23. this is it. Then come here again, we go up by just from this last node, this column point here, so we go up by 2.47. Then after that we also go up back by 3.528. 2.47. Light bulb to make it faster, minus Z3, 2.47. okay, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, then 3.528. that should be in Z, minus, if you are going up, minus 3.528. okay. So if you notice, I've modeled all my structural column on this building. If you count, we have them, and we count using this command: highlight off, filter, check none, structural column, apply. Okay, but if you check your filter, you see there are 17, and if you come here and check your node number, it stops at 17. So, or if you use your shift K or something, shift N to count. This is the last one, 17. Shift N backwards. So now what I'll do is I'll use this my node cursor, I'll copy it to my Y. So I want to copy it on upwards by, let's say, 3.6. okay, let me copy it adequately. Let me come to my east view. We are coming from this point, is 3 meter. I'll copy by 3 meter, then after 3 meter annotate, align, then I'll copy by 3.15, copy by 3.15 in Y direction, 3 meter, and copy again in Y direction, 3.15. oh shit, sorry. I made a good mistake here. Let's come to my view and display wood structure to see. I've made a mistake, and let me come back to this view. Okay, so I'll come to my utilities, node tools, node to node distance to check out which mistake I have on my model. Okay, this is it. This is this one. I go back to my select on node cursor, I pick on node cursor, and I hit on delete. Yes, I don't need it. Then I'll come to my select node cursor, I select all node cursor, come to my geometry, pick on connect node on y-axis. 34 members are created. Okay, then I come back to my geometry, then I come to connect beam, connect on x-axis 24, connect on z-axis 22. Yeah, then if you check on your display wall structure on the view tab, then you see this display wall structure, you see this view whereby you may come to this side only and pick your geometry cursor, select geometry cursor, and I may decide to isolate this only, like new view, display, or create a new view for the view here. Okay, then you come to this part here, you may rotate your view as you wish. Come to view here, let's see what we have. Let me show you. So if you notice, the reason why I have this model touch is because I just click on connect on X, connect on Y, which is very wrong. I should have moved one way after the other. So what I'll do is I'll delete all connected beam on X and Y direction, and to do this faster is the only way to do this is by coming back to this view, display wall structure, and putting it on the side view, and I'll delete this guy out. Yes, I know. Okay, select beam cursor. Okay, then go back to my geometry, come to my view from this side. Okay, then you select come to your select node cursor, you select and a new view. Okay, then go back to your view, then go to view back what you have created to see if I have some errors. It looks such like I have some error. I need to confirm that 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 geometry beam. Okay, let's see if actually there is error on this model, because it looks like one. Looks like I have error. Okay, the mistake is this particular first point is not on. It's 2680. Is it? That is my mistake here. It's 2680. 2680. I may check and hold on my shift key, shift N. It's node 18. Come to my geometry and 18, can you see? It's actually not correct. So it's 3.230 minus 2680. 2680, I have it out. 3.23 minus 2.68. 0.55. To have edit this particular guy without going back, so that is one of the advantage of not preparing the class before coming in, so solve the mistakes and error together, and geometry, add beam, and perpendicular intersection. I do. Or you may just come and check the dimension and insert the node 1.73 instead of doing Ctrl V 1.73. Okay, then geometry, add beam. Okay. So all these one I've done, I want to confirm maybe they are correct or not. So node to node distance, just to be sure, 2.47. So they're actually correct, and all I need to do here is just come to my view, display whole structure, to see if there is any problem with these guys, which I'm very sure. We edit them as well. Click on select node cursor for that particular beam at the top node. Yeah, we are sorry for what happened. 0.55. Yeah, take care, good to go. Node 1, node. Okay, 0.55. So that is all. So you come to your view, display structure, you come this way and click on your select and beam cursor. You use Ctrl C, Ctrl V. If you know the actual distance, you paste. If you don't know, you check. I wish I'm correct. Geometry, view, display whole structure. Okay, so now you come to our specification. No, you come to our support. Let's create a support, fixed support, add, and come to your view. Come this way, select, assign to selected node, assign yes. Then you come to your properties. Let's define rectangle. Our column is 0.23 by 0.23. That's 230 by 230. Why our YD is 450. This will be our beam. Add those. Let's select. View down your okay. Then you do the same for this as well. Okay. Then come here. You may also do the same. Define rectangle 0.3, 0.23, add close. You highlight this, sign yes. Then you come to your view, display whole structure. You come to your 3D rendering to see if they are actually looking the same, which I think so. Come to your display whole structure view. Okay. Then what are we doing next? New view and okay. Let's do it this way. So let's go back to our geometry and let's add our 400 plates. Let's add our 400 plates here. Faster that. Faster this way. I think that is all. Come to my thickness, call it 0.15 thick, add, sign to view and close. Since that is the only plate I'm having for now, sign to view and click on view, display whole structure, and check your 3D if you want. 3D engine, okay, no side. This is it. If you want to model your cantilever slab, it's quite easy as well. Which part do you have it? You have it from this as this line here. Let me check what is the length. Okay. 1087. Select node cursor. Let's come in Ctrl C, Ctrl V, YZ 1.087. Let's click on OK. Then come to your panel, geometry, add 400 plates. Since depends. This type of cantilever will not be like that. So it's a big move this cursor also a bit here. Select, Control C, Control V, 1.087, 1.087. Okay, then I'll come here and come to my geometry and add 400 plates. Another plate. I think this is small. Better. Okay, so 3D rendering. It's fine. This is fine. Okay. Alright, so I believe in our next class I'll run the design, the loadings, the slab detailing. I'll do the model detailing on maybe other software, about 2 or so. So compare the result as well. Thank you.